Can you see yourself in the 2024 RAM ProMaster 2500? Here's a ProMaster 2500 that offers enhanced towing and payload capacities, a streamlined, comfortable cabin appointed with an impressive suite of amenities, convenient storage solutions, and great visibility to help you achieve all your business goals. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, keyless start, V6 cylinder engine, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection. Take the high road when you give your business the advantage with this hard-working ProMaster 2500. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.